Happy planning season, everyone. Here we are. It is middle of September or so, and I have just received and acquired my Hobonichi items. It took a total of 3 places to get the items that I actually wanted for this upcoming planning season, and it was quite an adventure. First up, I had my package from iykyk. I really like the thank you card that they sent with the package. Pretty cute. Might use that for something. They just happen to have the cover that I was looking for. I had originally seen at the other stationery store that I was going to purchase it from, but by the time I was able to place my order, they no longer had it in stock. And so I decided to look for elsewhere. This is how I ran into the iykyk website. The same thing happened with the Hobonichi Weeks Black Gingham Planner that I was looking for once I finally made up my mind. It was no longer in stock at that stationery store. So I found it at the Boston General store. I was going back and forth between which store to purchase it from, but neither had everything that I was looking for, hence the multiple shopping adventures here. Overall, the way that the Boston General Store packaged everything was pretty awesome. I will definitely be using that craft paper and the masking washi tape. So as you can see a little later on, I kind of save it for journaling purposes later. And I was able to find the Tamagotchi holders for the A6. I was super excited to be able to make it down to the second stationery store over in Brooklyn where they had some of the items that I was looking for in stock, and I wanted to make that in-person stop. As you can see here, let's see, I have the transparent dot stickers, the black gingham A6 pawn planner, and the Tamagotchi planner. The Tamagotchi cover with the A6 original, I believe it is. Those were in stock. I placed the order. That way, when I made a trip, I would be sure to come back with them. Because I was definitely worried since the Hobonichi has grown in popularity now. So I want to make sure I came back with those. Additionally, I wanted to find some pens and stickers, but I prefer to do that in person. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this upcoming year. That Tamagotchi planner will be for my creative tasks. I'm documenting my creative activities. I will be trying out this pencil. I like the weight of it, the color. It's very much my style. Also on the skew there. Excited for that. Let's see what else we have. Oh, the pen. The Friction Ball 4, and it has 4 different colors. It's erasable and erasable pen. I'm excited for that. Try that out. I have a similar one that I found in, I think it was True Value. It has a few more colors, but it's not erasable. I'll show that later on. I found a single color one. Just wanted one simple color. Kind of go with the Tamagotchi theme. And then the lead that I actually, it's not for me, it's for my fiance who has a .7 pencil. It looks pretty cool.